Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview chart templates. Alright, this is gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on it at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. And the first step, it will be to access the chart templates. So you can access the chart template by clicking on the chart button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 will be to create a new chart template. So go ahead and create a new chart template by clicking on the new button in the chart menu. Step 3 is going to be to customize your chart template. So customize your chart templates by adding indicators, drawings, and other tools. You can use the PineScript language to create custom chart templates. Now the fourth and final step will be to save and share your chart template. So go ahead and save and share your chart template with other users, and you can share your chart templates publicly or privately with specific users or groups. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview chart templates. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next